Hey everybody, it is time for another Cooking with Kurt. I think that's the official name of all our cooking videos. I think it's a whole series at this point, whether he likes it or not. And we are going to show you how to make the best walleye ever. This is kind of our homegrown famous walleye recipe. So we're going to make honey mustard pretzel crusted walleye pieces. And so actually we're making this for dinner tomorrow night. So just a simple little hack here. You're gonna get your honey mustard pretzels pieces out the night before and put them in a food processor. You're gonna chop them up really, really super fine. And then you're gonna put them on a paper plate or whatever you have, and you're gonna leave them out overnight.
Yep.
It just helps get them really crumbly
and dry.
Perfect for breading fish. So we're gonna do that tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be having the honey mustard pretzel walleye for dinner.
That's right.
Okay guys, we are back the next day. We left our honey mustard pretzel pieces out overnight to kind of dry out. And since this is Kurt's homemade recipe, I'm gonna let him give you all the details.
All right, so after they've sat out overnight to dry out, and just put it in a bag. And depending on how much fish you have, will depend on how much breading you use. Okay. So we only have a little bit of fish because it's only for 2 of us. So after it's all dry, patted dry with the paper towel, just put it in the
It's an egg wash, right?
egg wash. Yep.
Let's get a good view of that.
Yep. Just get them nice and coated, and then we're gonna just throw them straight into the bag.
We have to be creative with our fish recipes because we catch a lot of fish over the year and freeze it. So we eat fish pretty frequently, so gotta mix it up so we don't eat it exactly the same every time.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite.
This is the best. This is our famous recipe. Every time we share this with anyone, they say it's the best way they've ever had walleye before.
You can do perch like this too.
Pretty much any whitefish, I would think.
Yep, and just get them nice and coated.
And
that's why you want to make sure the breading is as dry as possible, so that way it doesn't get
it sticks to the fish
super sloppy in the bag.
And if you're making this without a food processor, you can just put your pretzels in a bag and back over it a few times with your
pickup truck.
As proven by friends of ours one day. Wish I had a video of that. Yum! Okay, we got our walleye pieces breaded. We have a glass pan that has just a little bit of oil in it. We're gonna go ahead, put our walleye in the pan. We're gonna bake it at 400 degrees.
For about 20 minutes. So what I always like to do is I put the oil in the glass pan and I put it in the oven while I'm breading the fish, so then when you pull the fish out,
it's going into
a warm pan, and it's already gonna start to cook a little bit. Yep.
Look at those pieces of walleye. Little walleye nuggets.
Yeah, they're small little chunks of fish.
I think we fillet our walleye differently than a lot of people do.
Yep, I cut mine in the smaller pieces so they cook faster.
Hopefully this year we'll be getting out again on the Detroit River during the walleye run, and we'll be able to film a video of some walleye jigging and how we fillet our walleye to be boneless, because I think it is quite different than a lot of people do it. So, yeah. But it really is much better. I had it both ways. Ours is better. Into the oven it goes.
Here we go.
All right, it's been about 20 minutes. We're gonna pull our walleye out. Look at that, guys. You can see just a few little chunks of the pretzels in there still. Golden brown. Fries again. So good. Okay, guys, so we want to know if you try this recipe. Give us a comment. Give this video a like. Hit the subscribe button, because we have tons of cooking videos that we're going to try to show. Fishing, hunting, trapping, all that. We're going to be filming a lot coming up. So please subscribe so you can see everything we do and not miss a video. So, alright guys, enjoy your walleye. Bye!